Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Welcome back in the session of sounds of consonants and vowels in English alphabet. In the previous videos, we will learn the sound of letter B, D and F. In this video, we will learn the sound of letter J. Yes. English alphabet, the letter Dear students, in English alphabet, the letter this we call J. J. The sound of this letter is J. This is the initial sound of this letter J. J. Initial sound means starting sound. Okay. Let's see the sound of this letter. Let's practice with some words. Repeat all these words with me. So let's start. Jar, jam, jaw, jack, jail, jelly, gene, jerk, jet, jeep, jig, gym, genie, jib, jitter, joke, job, joker, joy, join, juice, jug, June, jump, jungle. So dear students, do practice and get perfection on the sound of letter J. I hope you have enjoyed the video and learned something new. Thank you. Bye bye. See you again with the sound of next letter.